So boom, guys, this is a vlog because I ain't got time to be setting up anything. And obviously we're doing this challenge again because they were saying that it's not spicy, and I don't want you guys to be saying, oh, this is not the real she's 90. So this is ×3 now. Put the sauce and everything. As you can see, the color is a bit more mad. So tell me what you think. Team Estrua, I'm tired by the way. Team Estrua to win. Comment down below.
Team Vinxhy, that's Vinci.
Team Tay.
Team Justice.
Team Dons.
Start again. One, get off your phone, and can you guys not sound dead, please?
After you sound dead. You sound dead yourself.
But I was making it more live because my voice is dead. What everyone else needs to be voice dead. So hi guys, and welcome to the
DS Gang.
Gang.
Hi guys, and welcome to the
DS Gang.
So obviously it's your girl Jody Estrua, Team Estrua.
It's your boy Jones, Team Vinci, that's Vinci.
It's Laid. Team Tay. Taytai, but you know.
It's Team Angelo.
I'm your boy, Team Dons.
So obviously guys, we're doing this challenge again, but it's ×3 because I was saying, oh, it's not spicy and all them stuff. So yeah, so if you comment down below to see who's gonna win, and yeah, so let's start it.
3, 2, 1.
I'm scared. It's just gonna slip through.
Why are you guys waiting?
Whoa!
It's gonna slip through. Can't it?
Once you've done it, figure back.
I got a spoon, so it's gonna
Wait, let me give it to you then. One. You swell. Don't wait then.
Can I?
Wait then. Because you're the one who likes to exaggerate. Y'all remember the last... Your hands are bare in the camera from my bare blocking me. Y'all remember the last video? The first person to be saying
Donnie,
it.
you can go back now. Go back to earlier.
Obviously, this is going to be after the first one, you dumb idiot.
I
Don't
know.
play me, man. Don't be serious.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Why are you so aggressive, man?
No, it's a bit... What video? Obviously, this is going to be after.
There's something
Why is
called
it in your
waiting.
mouth?
Shut up, man.
Something called waiting, bro.
It was gonna
Exactly.
touch the tail.
That's the reason you could put it.
Okay.
Wait, hold
I
on.
predict I want to win once more.
I predict I'm definitely gonna do
This
this.
is ×3.
Time
×3.
3, yeah. Ready? Oh.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
You're
It's
bare
actually
in the
not same.
face, like...
Take a little bit. Take a little bit first. Don't be saying like it's different. It's not the same.
I'm being serious, guys. If you want to be vomiting or tapping out, tap out in the beginning. Don't
Yeah, I thought that one.
go
Is it?
even.
Is
In
he?
here.
It hurts the throat, innit? It hurts.
That's even having.
It hurts the throat.
I'm trying to.
Are
You
you
man.
sure?
I'm trying to take out and it's not
Look at
letting me
mine.
to take out. Then roll yours properly, man. So
I
the
can't.
bed
It's
dropping.
just gonna slip off.
That small thing,
Okay,
Jody. No, man, you can't do that.
I predict.
I'm trying to pick,
No,
man.
No.
I'm trying to pick so I can
I
get
will
more. Gosh, man, chill. You haven't even finished. I might finish rolling. Dickheads.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that's actually hot.
Alright, boom. Go.
3.
Johnny's bad.
You know what? I'm not a quitter. And I was about to say I was about to quit, but you know.
Kind of scared, not gonna lie. Don't. Go first. Lai, you're next. Wimped for last. Jesus!
I think I took too much.
Same.
But you guys doing that is not helping me.
Okay. Come like a noodle. No, you
I
take.
did say I'm going to win in this, and like, I'm still eating.
And then your fork. Okay. Second one, come on. Second one.
That's a win, eh? You felt it, yeah? You want some? No?
Okay.
I know tell me strategy. Tell me. I know.
I know what I'm gonna do now. I know what I'm gonna do.
That's what you have to do.
The thing that you have to do, eat it, and then before you swallow it, don't leave no chunks or anything. It will hit your throat. That's my thing.
If
That's
you
my.
chop out either way.
No, cause the saliva.
Damn.
The hell, man, you lot are fighting like the lady and the trap.
Angelo, don't even spit back that thing that's trap.
Okay, now it hit me. Okay, this is my fifth one, guys. Believe it.
Oh my.
On the first four,
Wait,
it
man.
didn't hit me.
No, I'm gonna eat.
I'm putting one
then-
for me because I can't pick it up.
As I'm eating slowly now.
Oh,
It's like-
see, I'm not gonna have enough.
Oh!
You're in my face.
Oh, damn.
Back
What?
up the milk.
What do you see that? Angelo, no more.
What?
For Donny. Donny
Donny
had nothing. Cause Donny only had one. You're getting emotional, man. Don't
He
you,
was the
Donny?
first one to get the water as well.
I can feel my heart burning.
I'm done.
Bring the lady, please. Young couple.
Donny, Daddy. Using my goals if people want people to see. Don't get emotional, man. It's not that deep. Can you stop, Angelo? Angelo, you're right next to my thingy, my camera.
Bobby, where's my cup?
Can you behave?
Are you gonna?
Can I just
So you won this?
You, but I'm just gonna. I think second.
Give me the letter key. Give me the letter key. Give me the letter key. Don't touch that. Drink water.
You're wasting milk. What's your milk?
So never. Don't close it.
Go on, me daddy for you.
Sorry.
You are headed. Drink milk slowly.
can't.
Oh, you know what?
This is my last spoon.
No, it's not. It's Angelo and Donny.
Wow.
How many did you do?
Can I have?
There you go, there's one.
Can I have your thing?
more than 3.
They only had 2.
I only had 3.
Light most.
You guys will stop and you expect me to stop. Because if you guys stop, nah.
Okay,
I
sure.
don't work like that, so.
Simple. Water actually helps. First time. No, let me take that back.
Okay, wait.
What's the tapa?
The fifth one. Say it. Ah. The fifth
Can I have a
one.
little bit more like?
You don't even like milk.
I should have got your almond milk.
A tampa.
Can I have your?
A tampa.
It's right here.
Oh,
Make it
Jesus!
count.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not.
You know, I didn't show that one yet.
Don't brush your teeth. It's gonna make it worse.
First one to go to the toilet. Alright, fifth one, guys. Come on.
Wait, let me have some. I'm savouring it.
I can feel burn here.
Where did my cup go?
Like, it doesn't matter. We're sharing cups
Yeah,
and
it's
stuff.
there.
Donnie, this is what I'm saying.
Let me have some almond. Don't can I have some?
Back out the milk.
No.
Back out the milk.
That's your phone.
Back out the milk. Yeah, just put a little bit. Just put a little. No.
So you're saying this is my
No, not
third?
for you as well. For me as well.
This is my third.
Mm.
Why are you putting the milk
Guys,
I actually can't
Where's
lie.
the Thelma?
I can't lie, but the
It's
first
painful.
one
it was nothing.
great. Oh my.
The
days.
first one was nothing.
It was perfect
beautiful.
spice.
It was beautiful.
It was the perfect
Second
spice.
one, yeah.
It caught a
it didn't
little
hit
hot.
Wait for Thelma.
me. Third one, it didn't hit me. Fourth one, it did, but it didn't. And then, as I didn't take the fifth one, the steam started to pressure me like mad. But then the fifth one,
Donnie, you're not even
it's
in the
just
camera.
like,
I know.
yeah, it's there, but I'm just keeping it in. So yeah.
Don't do that because you're the one that's taking most of the milk.
Exactly. That's not even. You already wasted the majority of the milk.
6 O's. And I finished my
By the
cup
way,
of
guys,
milk.
we're renovating our house. So don't watch that.
No, I need more.
No more, Donnie. Are you gonna have that?
I'm crying. I want to.
No. I am going to have it.
You know it's really good.
Come back. Give your reviews.
Just spent 5 minutes in the toilet.
I'll put it in my eye. It's in my eye.
Oh, sorry.
Judgy.
I was smart.
That's one.
They hit me. Whoa.
That's one thing you should never do when you have spice.
Go wash
Okay.
your face.
Ooh!
Okay.
And my bed connects. Oh my
Oh,
god!
It's in my eye.
Oh, don't lick your lips.
Okay, guys, tell me about your
Come
opinion.
on, can I have you? Hello.
Tell me about your opinion.
Nunca mais geramos um leite, mano. Então só vai.
Tell me
No,
your
no, no, no.
opinion.
Tá aqui.
I didn't even have a
Tá
full.
aqui. Tá aqui. Tá aqui. Tá aqui.
I'm
Your opinion.
not having no more then.
I'm not.
Yay! Your opinion.
I'm not doing this again. That's my opinion.
I am.
Ah, yeah, it's actually funny.
I don't
gonna
like spicy food.
I never
The
did.
first one was alright. I think the first one was alright because everybody had their own individual plate. Plus,
Yeah.
it wasn't too much. But this one, how many did you look put?
3.
3.
That's why.
Imagine 4.
It's
I'm
quite
back,
beautiful
guys.
though.
Imagine 5.
It's quite nice though.
Imagine 5.
Imagine 5.
Put
Alright,
it in
let's do
my
it
eye.
again.
I think I would have vomited if it was 5.
Yeah.
I was already spitting out already, but a lot of spit, man.
I was drinking my own bit, but I had that sensation.
Didn't happen.
Close
I
the
didn't
lid.
feel no-
This is because I need to for my papa. Where's the lid?
So,
You need for your
guys,
papa.
Yeah.
You
guys,
make your papa.
But guys, yes,
Who
I
won?
am. So guys, it's not about who won. We finished. We
It
all
is.
finished
It
it.
is about who. It is
No,
about
it's not.
who had the
He
most.
came
There was,
first.
like,
I came
no.
second.
You're not
How many
understanding.
did you
I
have?
had 4.
We
I had
won
3.
as a team. I had 2, fam. I
How
had
many
2
do you
big
have?
fools though.
he had 2.
The
Yeah.
thing is, yeah, it's finished, guys. As you can see,
Finish you.
is the fact that, guys, we've won as a team because not a lot of people has finished their plates. But my breast is hot though.
No,
This is-
boring.
this is-
One of the
No,
key
but
ones.
it's true. If you see the amount of YouTubers that have done it and they have not able to finish it at all. So for the fact that we finished it,
Obviously, of course, we would finish it because there's more than one people.
no, but
More
still,
than one person.
Still,
Sorry.
we
But,
don't eat
nah,
spice
man,
though.
I don't recommend this to anyone.
I
Believe it or
recommend
not,
it.
I do
Recommend
not
it.
eat spice, but look,
I don't like spicy
Again.
food. So
really,
No, I'm trying to.
you could
No,
have
it's
just
fine.
passed.
you weren't trying to do anything.
You
You
could've
wanted
just
to
passed
throw
it on
at
you.
You could have just passed it on memo.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not
You
funny.
would have said, "Here you go." Why are you like this? Stop drinking my milk,
Mm-hmm.
man. Why, shut up.
Anywho, but yeah, guys, like, subscribe.
Team Tay.
T-Tame obviously won, but no one
I
takes
came
me
second.
lost. I
Vote
came
me.
last, and I'm proud to be last
I came second.
because I have.
And
vote me.
Yes, I came last, and I'm proud to be last because that there is not safe.
Give us more challenges, guys.
Give
I
us
need
more
to get the
challenges,
barbers.
so-
My hairline is going like this.
You will follow my Insta,
Always has
Twitter,
been.
Twitter
Yeah, I've
account,
never had a straight hairline.
Snap,
I've always had.
Tumblr.
Follow
whatever.
our Instagram account. Make sure
Wait,
you
we have an
subscribe. Yeah, Angelo, shut. Yo, why do you act dumb?
You don't know.
Sometimes fella
You don't know
goes
anything,
for-
innit?
I didn't know,
You
so
act
there's a difference.
slow.
I didn't know,
I didn't know.
there's a difference.
But you need to shut up.
Didn't know.
But yes, just follow our
Brother must have
follow our Instagram. Our Instagram is
Ah.
DK Gang. DK Gang.
Yes.
Earlier than you.
Yeah, DS Gang.
I
sorry.
can't, man.
Did I say
Actually,
Oh yeah.
so-
Yeah, you said
yeah,
DK
yeah,
Bags.
yeah.
Follow our
No,
Instagram
but you
DS.
should go
Shut
back
up.
quick.
Follow our Instagram DS Gang, and obviously follow our
Obviously, we're going down the
individuals Snapchat. And make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that. Suggest a new thingy, new
Challenge.
challenges, and we'll be starting doing practice work. So
Challenge.
stay tuned,
And we'll have more
Say what you
in
wanna
store for you lot. We have a lot
DS,
of,
yeah,
a
follow.
lot of debates as well. Because obviously not everyone
what?
agrees with each other when it comes to like music, religion, and all of that crap.
We always argue. We're keeping it real with you guys, you know. So,
Just saying, if you're wondering what DS stands for, is Dos Santos.
Yeah, because our
Dos
last name is
Santos.
the Santos, and we couldn't even find an
another appropriate name.
an extra name.
But we're keeping it 100. We're keeping it cute. We always argue,
Cute.
but we always have love for each other, no matter what. We're always 5 minutes angry, and then 5 minutes after, it's like, come on.
No.
No, she does that to everyone.
No, I don't.
She
But
always
yeah,
slaps.
She does that.
I
It
will.
is true.
So yeah,
I don't
so
like people, so
I don't like people anymore. But yeah,
I still don't know you.
got a network.
You're still Bex.
Stay tuned for
Stop
pranks.
pointing, man.
Just saying.
Anyway, we out.
We
Peace.
out. Boom.
Peace.
Pause. Stop.